Hello and welcome to Michelle's video. So today I'm going to look at percentages and percentages of amounts. So hope this helps. All right then, let's get started. So, percentages. Percent means out of 100, okay? So we're going to go straight into, let's do 33.5% of 240. Now, on a calculator, we would just put 33.5 divided by 100. Oops, sorry, I wouldn't do it like that. I would go by 240 times 100. Okay, that's in a calculator. But as you know, we don't use a calculator. Not yet. So we need to figure out how to do this without a calculator. Right, so I'm first of all going to look at my bases. 10%, 1%, 50%. Now, to find 50, we halve it, okay? We halve this. So half of 240 is 120. 10%, we use this, right? If you think about it, if we jump 1 in, that gives us 10. So jump in 1 here, and that gives us 10%, which equals 24. And 1%, 1, 2, gives us 1. So jump in 2 here, which gives us 240. Now, using these, we can find other percentages. So 50%, I can find 25%, and that would equal 60. Half, 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 half. 5%, well, half, 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 half. 0.5% is half of the 1. And we can also find 2.5%, half, 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 half. So we can find 50, half the 100. 10% is jump 1 in. 1% is jump 2 in. 2 in. 25% is half of 50. 5% is half of 10. 0.5% is half of 1. And 2.5% is half of 5. And we can do that all the time. Okay? So now let's figure it out. So this is my percentage, and this is the amount. I need 33.5. I'm going to use the 10%, 10%, 10%. I'm going to use the 2.5% and the 1%. Just check 10, 20, 30, 32.5, 33. 2.5%. Yay, that's got equals. Well, 10% we've said is 24. 10% is 24. 10% is 24. 2.5% we've said is 60. That's 25%. 2.5 is 6. And 1% is 240. I add that up. 4, 8, 12, 18, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8. It would be £80.40 if that was pounds. Okay, so it's all a matter of splitting it up, getting your percent to what it's saying, 33.5, and then adding. Let's do another one. Get rid of that. Right. Let's do 18.5% of £340. Okay. Let's have a look. Let's do our bases. 50%, 10%, 1%. 50% is half, 150, 170. 10% is 34. 1% is 340. Now let's do our secondary. So I can find 25%, which is 80. Oh, let's put that in the right way, because it'll bug me. £85. I can find 5%, which is got to halve it. £17. I can find 2.5%, because it's half of that. Okay, which is 5, 6, 7, £8.50. I can find 0.5%, which is £1.50, £1.70. Okay, right, now I've got to make 18. 18.5. Well, definitely a 10%. I could do a 5%, a 2.5%. That gives me 17.5. Oh, and a 1%. Right, let's just check that. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18.5. So my 10 is £34. My 5 is £17. My 2.5 is £8.50, and my 1 is my 1 is £3.40. That's 0, 9, 11, 19, 20, 22, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's our answer. You might not have to do this every time once you get the hang of it, but there's nothing wrong with doing this until you are very confident with the method. Okay, very confident. Let me just do one more and I'll show you without using the bases. Okay. You're still going to use them, but they're in your head. Okay, so let's do 16.5% of 120. Right, I need a 10%, a 5%, a 1%, and half a percent equals, well, the 10 is 12. The 5 is half of that, so 6. 1 is my 2 jumps, so £1.20, and half is half of £1.20, which is 60p. That's 0.8289 and 1. So once you get confident, you'll be able to do it without doing your bases. But in college, we'll do them for quite a while until you get the hang of it. Right, I'm going to put 3 up for you to have a go at. Let me know how you get on, either through class or Teams or email. Okay, 1. 39.5% of 260. Number 2, 89.5% of 180. And the hardest one, okay, but give it a go, is I'll just do 11.5% of 165. Okay. I hope that helps. We will practice it in college, and you can practice it at home, and you can contact me through Teams. You can send me your homework through Notebook and or YouTube. Okay. All right then. Take care. Bye.